Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Jnanam teham savijnanam idam bhakshami aseshata jadgyatya neya bhuya anyat jnatavam avasishyate. We have been discussing this verse. What is knowledge? Knowledge means how this universe is working. What is the working force? What is the energy? Just like scientists, they are searching out different energies. Just like this earth is floating on weightlessness, such a huge mass of material body with so many mountains, so many seas, oceans, skyscraper houses, cities, towns, countries. It is floating just like a swab, cotton swab in the air. So, if one understands how it is floating, that is knowledge. So, Krishna consciousness means to have all kinds of knowledge, not that we Krishna conscious people are being carried away by some sentiment. No. We have got philosophy, science, theology, ethics, morality, everything. Everything that is required to be known in human form of life. So, Krishna says that I will speak to you all about knowledge. So, this is Krishna consciousness. A Krishna conscious person should not be fooled. If he is required to explain how these universal planets are floating, how this human body is rotating, how many species of life, how they are being evolved. These are all scientific knowledge. Physics, botanics, chemistry, astronomy, everything. Therefore Krishna says, Jadgyatva, if you understand this knowledge, Krishna consciousness, then you will have nothing to know. That means you will have complete knowledge. We are hankering after knowledge, but if we are in knowledge of Krishna consciousness, if we know Krishna, then all knowledge is included. So, tat shakti vishaya vivikta swarupa vishayakam jnanam. We'll have full knowledge about the constitutional position of yourself, this material world, the spiritual world, God, our interrelationship, time, space, everything. There are many things to be known, but the principal thing is that the God, the living entity, time, work, and this material energy. These 5 things are to be known. You cannot deny that there is no God. God is controller, supreme controller. You cannot say that you are not controlled. There is controller. Just like in the state, you cannot say there is no controller. There is controller. In every street, in every house, there is control, government control. Suppose this store, here is also government control. You have to build store like this. You cannot leave his residential house. The fire arrangement should be like this. There is control. Even you walk in the street, you drive your car, there is control. Keep to the right. You cannot cross where there is a written stop. You have to stop. So in every way you are under control. So there is a controller. And the supreme controller is Krishna. There is one controller over another controller. If you go on searching out who is the ultimate controller, then you will find Krishna. Sarva Karana Karana. The Brahma Samhita forms Ishvara Parama. The supreme controller is Krishna. Ishvara Parama Krishna. Ishvara means controller. So, we have to get knowledge of this controller, how he is controlling. So, Jnanam Vijnanati Sahitam, not only to know the controller, but to know how he is controlling. How many energies the controller has got and how he is controlling. That is Vijnana. So Jnanam Vijnanam Tina Santi Tubha Prapannaya Aseshata.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.